Scare the dog back. Scare the dog back.
What are you doing?
Dog's going after it. Oh God. Run, puppy, run. Oh. Hi. Bull. Just jumped up. Do some donuts. Make them glazed. I'm gonna go up here. Whoa. Don't break it already. Don't break it again. Oh God. Oh God. Crap, I can't zoom in. How far of range does that go up to?
I don't know. I haven't tried it yet.
Looks like we're gonna find out. Are you doing that? Car's just staring. What are you trying to do, drift? Yeah, they're just looking. They're just still staring. Alright, they're done. That is loud. Hear that echo? Yeah. But right now it's quiet.
Ready? Recording?
Huh?
Recording?
Yeah. One day we should try to make an attachment for it that it holds your phone. So then that way like it gets a good grip on it. So then we could start recording it, and then it like whenever you do like a burnout, it just goes like that. It wouldn't take that long. Like all we need is just like a few parts, a couple of nuts and screws. Listen to that echo. Yeah. Oh god. Lower the volume if you're using headphones. Here it is. I probably should have got that. Dad, it launched a rock at me.
Oops.
What'd you do, kill it?
Yeah, I gotta fix the idle on it at some point.
Oh. Well, I guess that's it. Look what your car did. Made an eye. Don't you point that thing at me? Whoa. Yeah, it's dead.
This isn't supposed to. Oopsies.
There it goes. And if it's sideways for any of you guys, just tilt your head sideways or lay on your arms. God. Fingers are cracking. We all done?
Yep.
Alright. Time to get back in the car. And yeah, like if you guys want more videos. Whew, my ears are cold. There he is, my dad. And there I am, no face. But I kind of like this car, but it's not my dad's. It's my dad's girlfriend's. And it is a Honda with a rear view mirror. And it also has Pandora on it, so we can link our devices to this, and then we can listen to music. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like for more videos, and for more race car videos, and subscribe to my dad's channel, which is John Dreyer. And yeah.